Hi guys, welcome to my channel Jarvis Universe. In today's lesson we will learn about how to control relay using Arduino boards. So here we have a 5-volt operated relay. You can see the rating on this. It says the movable contacts can hold 10 amps of 25 volt AC, 30 volt DC, 28 volt DC and 125 volt AC. There are 5 contact points on this kind of relay. These two terminals are the coil terminals for the relay, and guys, note this relay has no polarity. Even though this is operated on DC voltage, it has no polarity. Here we have the common terminal for moving contacts. This one is normally open and this one is normally closed. When relay is not activated, the normally closed is connected to the common. So here we have the circuit diagram. We will power the relay and connect AC load to the normally open contacts. Let's make our connections. We will power our breadboard from Arduino board. Then we will connect LED negative to the negative rail. We will power the relay and connect positive to the digital terminal 2. We will connect LED's positive side through relay. So all the connections are made. Let's write our code for this. First we have to define our relay, which is connected to digital pin 2 of the Arduino board. So we will be controlling positive of the relay from this code. Hence in setup we will declare it as output. So in this way we can control the relay, which will control our LED. So we will write pin mode relay and define it as output. Then in void loop we will write what we are going to do with our relay. So we will write digital write relay. As I want my relay to be activated for few seconds, so I will keep the relay high for few seconds. Let's give a delay of 100. Similarly, I want my relay to be off for few seconds, so I will write code for relay to be off for few seconds after this. So we can copy and paste the same code, and just we have to edit this high to low. Now our relay will be on for 0.1 seconds and off for 0.1 seconds. Let's verify our code and upload it to our board. Once our code is uploaded, we can hear the clicking sound from the relay when it is getting activated and deactivated. Let's have a look. So as the program is running, you can hear the clicking noise of the relay and LED is blinking, which is connected through relay. This way we can connect any load on the moving terminals of the relay which are within the range of the relay capacity. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.